Now we are discussing this phylum Platyhelminthes. The best example is flatworms. Flatworms means platy means broad or flat. Helmin means worms. Helmin means worms. Okay. Platyhelminthes. The best example is flatworms. So it will be dorsimentally. So it is a bilaterally symmetrical animals. It is a triboplastic animals. All three layers of well developed acoelomate, absence of coelom. Okay, absence of coelom. So next that is that structures of that in the organism. So that is unidirectional only movements. The movements takes place unidirectionally. Endoparasites. Mostly these animals are endoparasites. It will be attached in the human beings. Cooks and sucks are very helpful for that in the attachment of the ghost organisms. Okay, so the body is not segmented. Okay, listen, the body is not segmented but exhibit the pseudo segmentation. So it's a you see that it observed for the segmentations are here, but it is not a segmented. It is a parasitic one. It is a parasitic nutrition. It will be followed. So it will be located or it will be attached in the surface of the body. So next one is the incomplete digestive system. Incomplete digestive system means both mouth and anus will be through for this only one coals. Okay, that is that incomplete digestive system. So most specialized character is flame cells are present. Flame cells are also present. That flame cells, it will be help in the osmoregulation and excretion. Okay, it will be excrete materials, waste materials through that for in that the particular cells. Okay, this is a specialized excretory cells are present in the Platyhelminthes. So fertilization is internal and development through the larval stages, micredium, sporocyst. So polyembryony it will be seen. Polyembryony will be seen in the flatworms. Regeneration capacity also. You see that planaria. Okay, so phylum Platyhelminthes. So it will be dorsiventrally. That species you have to see that it will be flat. Okay, it will be flat organization. So bilaterally symmetrical triboplastic animals, and it is absence of this coelomate. Absence of this coelom. That's why that animals it is called as acoelomate animals. So next one, the movement is unidirectional. Movement is unidirectional. Does not have the segmentation. So you can see any segmentations here? No, there is no segmentations. Okay, but it got to see for the some segmentations are here, but it is not yet true segments. It's not a two segments. So it having for the specialized cells, excretory or cells having specialized cells called this flame cells. Yeah, flame cells, it will be regulate the osmoregulation. It will be control the osmoregulation and excretion. Okay, osmoregulation and excretion. Fertilization is internal. Development is through the larval stages. Polyembryony it will be seen. Next one is that high regeneration capacity. Okay, planaria it is a high regeneration capacity. So what is the special characters of this? That Platyhelminthes, flame cells. The flame cells, you must write flame cells as also regeneration capacity. Polyembryony we will see. Okay, polyembryony it will be seen in the flatworms. Sorry, understand? So next we discussed about this phylum Ascomyces. Phylum Ascomyces. Ascus means cavity, Helminthes means worms. So previous class we discussed about this nematodes, phylum, Ascomyces. Now we discussed about this Ascomyces. Ascomyces means it is a circular in structure. That organism it will be circular in structure. You see that? So that's that body is circular in structure. That is not differentiated in this that upper and the lower side. Okay, it is that roundworms. The best example is roundworm. Okay, it is a free living aquatic animals, and this hydroskeleton structure it will be followed by this body. So it is an unsegmented one. Okay, it is an unsegmented one. Is transparent. Okay, it is a transparent organism. You will see that in the roundworms, you see that roundworms பார்த்தோன்னா அப்படின்னா கண்ணாடியே தெரியும் அப்படின்னு. that is a transparent, tough and protective collagenous layer, that is a hydroskeleton layer. Alimentary canal completely developed, okay, completely well developed mouth, muscles, phrases, anus, everything it will be developed. So excretory system through for the renate glands, excretory system through for the renate glands. Sex or no are separate, sex or separate, sexual dimorphism is here. Next is often females and longer than males, okay, longer than males. Males விட females என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கும் அப்படின்னா லாங்காக இருக்கும். Okay, it is a oviparous. So ovoviviparous development may be direct or indirect. So Ascalminthus, the best example is roundworms. It is a triboplastic animals, bilaterally symmetrical one. Pseudocoelom it will be absorbed in that the organisms and the phylum. Okay, so next one is that the body is unsegmented. So next fertilization is internal. So oviparous animals are here. Development it will be indirect or direct. Okay, so what is the particular stage, what are the specialized cells are here? That is the body is unsegmented and covered by a transparent, tough and protective collagenous layer called this cuticle. Okay, so that there is no larva. Okay, so examples: Ascaris lubricans, roundworms, Enterophilia vermicans, pinworms, Wucheria faunocrabri, filarial worm. Okay, this is the filarial worm. So next we discussed about this phylum Annelida. So phylum Annelida. So previous phylum it is unsegmented, but this phylum it is segmented worm. Phylum Annelida, endless, ring, and radius means form. Okay, so this is the first segmented animals. But some are aquatic, some are free living. Okay, so you see that some are aquatic and some are free living. It is also this triboplastic animals. Bilateral symmetry is isocoelomates. Isocoelomates means splinting. The mesodermal cells are splinting. Okay, so this is the organ system or level of the body organization. So coelom with coelomic fluids creates. So hydroskeleton structure it will be followed that body. Okay, hydroskeleton means எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் என்ன இருக்கும், ஸோ ஒரு moisture condition it will be followed by that the organisms. Okay, so body surface is divided for the segments, that is called the metamerism. Okay, so you have to easily absorb in that thus in the earthworm metamerism. So longitudinal circular muscles carving for the help of the locomotions, parapodia. Okay, so the knee is lateral appendages is called this one it is parapodia, lateral appendages. Okay, small hair like appendages it is that is called this parapodia. It will help for that in the swimming. At the time of the swimming it is escaping from the predators, it is very helpful. Earthworms and suckers are least helpful for the locomotion. Circulatory system is closed type. Next one is the respiratory pigments is hemoglobin and chloroquine. Okay, chloroquine. So respiratory pigments we called out respiratory pigment. Nervous system, advanced and ganglion, lateral nerves, double ventral nerve cords is here. It's similar to this in the human beings. The reproduce sexually. Okay, Drapospore larva it will be followed. Drapospore larva it will be produced. Okay, it is a monoecious plant. Some of this dioecious, some may be monoecious, some may be dioecious. Example: Limbita matri, earthworm, Nereis sandworm, Islandia leech. So you understand the particular special character is hemoglobin and chloroquine. The respiratory pigments are present in that the phylum Annelida. Okay, metamerism followed by this Annelida. Parapodia, some aquatic plants are animals having for this parapodia, but the use of the locomotion as well as swimming. So next we discussed about this arthropoda. You know that arthropoda? Arthropoda means, arthos means jointed, bodies means feet. Arthropoda cockroach. You just remind for that one phylum having one. Okay, so phylum Aschelminthes roundworm, phylum Annelida earthworm. Okay, phylum Arthropoda cockroach. So this one, it is the largest phylum among the plant kingdom. Among the plant kingdom, it is the largest phylum and largest class. Largest phylum and largest class. So most of these insects are in the earth. So it will be bilaterally symmetrical, segmented, hypoplastic animals, isocoelomates animals, or organ system it will be followed. So appendages are here. This appendages used for this locomotion, that capturing the spring, and this sensory functions it will be followed by that this in the appendages. Body is covered by this chitinous exoskeleton. Okay, protection, prevent the water loss. So it periodically process is called mottling or ecdydias. The body consists of gut, thorax, abdomen with a body. Okay. So hemocoel, that is the absence of hemoglobin. So respiratory organs is gills, buccal, lungs, bronchia. Circulatory system is open type. Circulatory system is open type. Absence of blood capillaries. Circulatory system is open type. Sensory organs like antenna, eyes is here. So Malpighian tubules. Excretory organs is Malpighian tubules, green glands, coaxial glands. Fertilization is indirect, internal. Development may be direct or indirect. Larval stages is called this metamorphosis. So this is the arthropod. Examples of arthropoda. Scorpion. This is the arthropoda. So you count out this the largest phylum, largest class. Okay, largest class, it will be symmetrical, hypoplastic animals, isocoelomate animals. So they have the some jointed. Listen, this is the segmented animals. This is having for this jointed appendages are here. It is used for that the locomotion. So one tentacles are here. Listen, this one it is tentacles. Okay, so the tentacles used to capturing the prey. So it is a open circulatory system. Absence of the blood capillaries. So that's why it is a open circulatory system. Sensory organs like antenna, eyes, statocytes. Okay, is present. So excretory organs is Malpighian tubules, green glands, coaxial glands. So mostly dioecious, it will be oviparous animals. Fertilization is internal. So and many larval stages it will be followed. Metamorphosis stages it can be used. Okay, examples: limbless king crab, a living fossil. Yeah, scorpion, palmatias, eubangians, curbit crab, abyss, honeybee, musa, housefly, Musca, housefly, vectors, Anopheles, Cuculus, Medius, mosquitoes. Economically important insect, Abies, Bombus, Mori, Lasperus, Crassiophysis, everything. Okay.